Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cabbage gobi at home. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients and spices. You'll need 1 medium head of cauliflower, about half a small cabbage, and key spices like turmeric and coriander powder. This dish is a fantastic way to enjoy a flavorful and healthy meal, perfect for any day of the week. Let's get cooking. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get them ready for cooking. First, thoroughly wash and chop your cauliflower into bite-sized florets, ensuring they cook evenly. Next, finely shred your cabbage into thin strips. This helps it soften beautifully. Don't forget to dice 1 medium onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic, as these will form the aromatic base of our dish. Proper preparation is key to a great meal. With our vegetables prepped, it's time to start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium heat. Add the diced onions and minced garlic, sautéing them until they become fragrant and slightly golden, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Then, introduce your spices, cauliflower and shredded cabbage, stirring everything thoroughly to ensure all the flavors meld together beautifully. This step builds the foundation of our gobi. Almost there. Once everything is combined, cover the pan and let your cabbage gobi simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to stir it occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure all the vegetables cook evenly and become tender. When it's perfectly cooked, garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness. Serve your delicious homemade cabbage gobi hot with warm flatbread or fluffy rice for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.